order to replace a core in a Leverset, take your blue tagged control key, insert it into the existing core. Turn that key 10 degrees clockwise. Your old core will then come out of the Leverset. Transfer the existing tailpiece into your new core. Put the control key into your new core. Turn it 10 degrees clockwise. Reinstall into the Leverset. Turn the control key back to the horizontal position and remove. Once the new core is installed, test your operating key in the lock to make sure it functions properly. Once the job is complete, please return the blue tagged control key using the return packing slip in the box.